Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Citizen Bank credit card. Okay, so before canceling your card you need to keep something in your mind. Don't try to take any kind of mistake while canceling your credit card. So first of all you need to pay off all the balance. If you have any kind of pay balance, then you need to pay all the balance, then you can use your all the rewards. Okay, and you need to cancel your all the subscription or all the billings on your account. If you have any kind of streaming services, if you have any kind of utilities which is charged on your account automatically, you need to update, or you need to cancel your subscription or card details, or you can select cards or streaming services, any services if you are using by your card you need to cancel. Okay, it now you need to call the customer support team. Okay, when you search like Citizen Bank credit card customer service number, you will get the phone number, and when you dial the phone number you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your service or with your card, and then they will cancel your service or they will update you which type of subscription you have in your account. You can also ask with the customer support. Okay, and once they will tell you after verification your card is cancelled, please ask a proof of cancellation also on your email. Okay, and after when your cancellation is successful, you need to check your credit reports anywhere from 30 to 45 days after you're canceling your card. Okay, to be sure that it was closed and you don't have any kind of existing balance now. So this is the complete step and this is the complete format by which you can cancel your Citizen Bank credit card. Now if you have any question you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.